Hello guys, Stormboy13. Yes, that's the fourth video. That is me sitting in a balcony. But yes, this video, which is probably my luckiest video I've ever done in a very, very long time. And I haven't seen that much lightning in a very, very long time. This is probably the video where I've never recorded more than CG strikes than ever before. No, I mean cloud to ground lightning strikes. Tuesday the 13th of August, day after we had an amazing day out. We had a late afternoon, early evening thunderstorm. It didn't rain a huge amount, maybe 10-15 minutes at its maximum, but what was incredible, after when the rain eased off a little bit, we've had a collection of, mostly lightning I've captured was cloud to ground strikes, with some very, very close ones, and a few of these are positive ones, where 10% of the lightning or 5% of the lightning are positively charged, the rest of them negatively charged. Now, negative charge is something you can hear as normal thunder, but if it's positively charged, it's much higher up, the air condenses a lot more, and when that spark comes off, the air, rises and then, zooms out, it creates a loud boom, much heavier, loud booming sound. But this is a brilliant video. That was a lucky video, and that's what's going to be. So guys, we'll get on to the video. So hope you enjoy it. Oh my! I've caught that. Oh, another one. Jesus, that was a closer one. Oh, nice. That is unbelievable. I think I've seen more CG bolts than the previous overhead thunderstorm, nearly a week ago. Oh, that was stunning. That was a double bolt, maybe a triple one. That is unbelievable. I'm going to keep saying those words for a while yet. Got a beautiful sunset in the vicinity, and then just literally 5 miles next to it, probably one of the most intense thunderstorms I've seen in a while. Yes, that's right, even more intense than the other one. Oh! Every lightning bolt is just CG, cloud to ground. Ooh, that was really close. Oh, I got that. nice. Ooh. Okay, the storm is just clearing away. Well, it was a dry thunderstorm, as I always say it. Look at that. Sunset over there, storm over there. Just before I close off the video, Saturday the 17th, this was filmed the previous day to the day where I'm talking today, but you know what I mean. On Saturday the 17th of August, we had a small storm, but didn't produce a lot of lightning, so I didn't film most of it, because it wasn't really that major, but I did manage to capture a very, very lucky, and again, a big cloud to ground lightning strike. Thunder was fairly loud. I think it might have been positively charged, but it wasn't as close as I've been, but it was still a lucky shot, so watch this clip. Oh! Oh!
That was epic.
Oh! That was beautiful. Always happens, every time it moves away from us, it always picks up when it reaches the sea. Yeah, lucky day that was. Alright guys, storm is now out.